We're gonna take some snacks from Euro Deli. Tobias got the Daru ice cream. I don't know what country it's from. And then we got the double coconut cream in the 7 days. Ooh. Then we have Delicia Cuba Penis. Delicia Cuba Penis. And then we have some cheesy pizza chips. Cheesy chips. And then we got some manly candy floss for the boys. Yeah, man. For the boys. Then we got the nasty sparkling raspberry mint kurva. Yeah. And that's the. And then we also got the Kimberg Gran.
Ja, dit was wat.
Granat.
Dit was ook.
Granatsuka.
And then we have the Suplica.
Suplica orzechowy las, kurwa. Let's get it.
And then we got some Russian snacks with some beef and with some tomato. Woo!
Okay, so I think the first thing we're gonna take is gonna be the ice cream.
And we got the good old Karums from Latvia. My Latvian gang knows it.
Yeah, but as I say, the first thing we're gonna taste is gonna be the ice cream.
And me first.
Just all the ice cream for me.
I'm the ice cream thief. Yeah, just like I know him. The good cheap ice creams. Mick. De beste isnossen. Ja, excuse me. De beste billigste isnossen. Det er jo sådan 2 kroner i Latvia. Okay, now we're gonna taste the Nasty Joy Sparkling Raspberry Mix flavor. Now we're gonna take a sip. I love it. It tastes absolutely fresh and a bit too sweet. Do I taste it, Kuba? Taste it, Kuba. Taste it!
Smells like perfume.
What does it taste of? Okay, next thing. Now we're gonna taste the Timberg Granat. Granat Timberg. Oh. What?
Let it smell.
No.
Nee.
Dobra.
Do I taste it?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Very small.
But we loving it. We love the granat. We just took his fucking snot right on me.
It was not good.
What was it?
It was this shit.
Fui, what? Uh-huh.
Just come, Suko.
Nou, niks ervoor. Kom.
Next one.
Yeah.
Cool, what should we taste now? What?
Je gaat vinden voor hem.
What is this? It is some crunch X-cut salsa chips.
Yeah.
Let's get to it tasting.
Maar die heeft typisch.
Let's let the camera boy taste. What does it taste of? Come on, camera boy. What's your opinion on this monstrosity?
Ja, klaar hoor.
Very good, very good.
We need some dip and would be nice.
The smell is nice.
It smells just like Cuba's.
Ja, niet speciaal.
Okay, now we're gonna taste the manly one. The cotton candy.
The cotton candy. Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol cotton candy. Wow. No, woof.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't smell of anything. Come on, I feed you. I put all my hand in his mouth.
Cotton candy, you can never go fucking wrong with that.
It's dry, but wet.
Ja, het is mij afgebakken heen. Het is mij even zo.
Yeah. What's the more? Delicia. Or what did you call them?
Delicia.
Delicia.
Oké, voor de camera.
Okay.
Okay, one.
1, 2, 3.
Look how it looks. It looks kind of gay. But as I always do it,
Autism
I
has
take
become an epidemic.
them,
Autism has become an
then I take it
epidemic.
off.
Autism has become an epidemic.
Then I take it
Autism
off.
has
Just
become
the
an
kurwa-
epidemic.
Yeah, just the red part.
I do not do like that.
I mean, it's the
Like,
best
like,
part
like,
of the
like.
fucking whole delicia.
That's some good delicia. Okay, now we have some Princesa Longa. This is bossy. I already know how it tastes. This one tastes just like Raffaello.
Papa,
you
but
did
not. I am. I already.
But a lot cheaper. A lot cheaper. And zajebiście. Okay. Now we try the Russian bread snacks. Here. Bro has mouthful of food, kinda gay.
Vegan, huh? Cool.
They is bossing on God.
Look how gay they look. Wait, cool.
Det kører det sgu ikke.
This is absolutely bossing.
Now we have some pizza chips. Where the fuck they're from? I do not know. They're in English.
Ja, de er jo nok fra fabrikken, ikke? Kan du tænke dig til?
Yeah, I don't know. Eat them.
I don't know where the fuck they're from. The smell of them, they smell actually like a pizza with pepperoni only though.
Pizza with what?
Only pepperoni.
Taste almost of nothing. Okay, and now we have caroms with mango taste from Latvia. With mangoes.
Tag dem bare fra mig.
What the fuck is this?
Er det lort, eller hvad? Og det er en is. Jeg kender sgu det. Jeg har sgu da fået dem her før. Du kan også få dem med...
Big is.
Er det ikke det?
Altså,
Sådan en cheesecake. Smager mango. Er fango.
A cheesecake.
Smager sgu da mango.
Cheesecaken er sgu ikke mig.
No.
Jeg forstår, at jeg bare kan slutte, men jeg bliver nødt til at prøve.
What?
jeg elsker cheesecake.
I love it. It's absolutely butter. Then we have a strawberry one.
Look weird.
Wow.
Because we ate all these snacks. It doesn't
No.
taste so good after all this.
This kurwa cheesecake shit. That's... It is so weird.
Jeg har købt cheesecake.
It tastes like a fucking... No, at the start it tastes like a fucking ice cream.
Because
But then it ends
you
with-
don't eat it frozen, just because it was frozen. You usually eat it just from the fridge and it's like soft.
Now it's like
En anden smag.
yogurt ice cream.
Jo, yoghurt.
Yeah, yogurt ice cream. And I absolutely don't like that, but this is actually kind of nice. Quite nice.
They're better like when they come from the fridge, not from the freezer. Usually they're just like, you know, easy to bite into. Yeah. Do you want to taste? I know the taste of it, but we're gonna taste the class.
Kan du bare tage ting der rundt omkring?
Take the class again for the video. Sensu class, also Latvian.
Kvass, it has 0.5% kurva alcohol in it, so Latvian kids drink it all the time.
No, it doesn't go to alcohol. Not this one.
Ah.
The depression.
Ah,
Okay, and then there's the other one, the Russian snack, just with tomato. The tomato taste, also buzzing.
I don't know.
How it taste?
Meget bedre end den der fucking cheesecake.
I feel like it's a little bit too crunchy.
Det skal det
I
være.
love it. I love it so crunchy. I'm the crunchy boy.
Very much too crunchy. Oh,
Jeg kan ikke tage den anden, Kuba.
7-Eleven kurva.
7-Eleven.
No, not 7-Eleven, but 7 days. Double coconut.
7-Eleven.
Super max kurva. Listen to this. This is my childhood suka. When you eat this, you feel like kurva you're in
Kan du ikke også spise det?
Look, look the cream.
Let's see what it can do. Wait. I need to get the bread down. Alright. Absolutely amazing. We love it. Want to taste?
Jeg glemmer aldrig de der Twinkies.
Okay, and now for the grand finale because they didn't want to do it halfway.
And now for the grand finale.
No,
we
this
have
one-
grand kurva.
We have tasted grand. We tasted it.
Yeah, I know, but it's good for me.
Wait. You drink a cream.
Oh, should be here. The shotgun.
No drinks of pizza, the taste of Nutella, could I say.
Yeah. Like one of the oh, we have this one, but yeah, this.
We all know how it tastes. Now we take the soup pizza. And I have the small shot for me and the big one for him. And then we say
Tarava.
Skål in Denmark and Zdarova from the Cuba.
Skål, no.
Prijaka!
Prijaka, bля.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, bro? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly
Ej,
ass.
du savler sgu ud af dig selv, mand.
I have not tasted this shit for a long time. No.
Det var sgu en god Nutella. Så lækker, at du hele tiden savler ud af dig selv.
Doe het geen Mike. Don't fucking puke here. Okay, bro is not the new Saplitsa man. As he goes around and spreads the...
No, aftertaste
Dufter
is
som
like.
heller ikke Nutella.
Hvad?
No, aftertaste is
Heller ikke
like
Nutella.
better. Aftertaste is
Nej,
better,
men det er jo
but
bare de der nødder
otherwise.
der. Det har ikke noget chokolade at gøre.
Yeah. We should connect that
Nej,
shit.
men det er
That
heller
was
ikke...
it for today, motherfuckers. We've tasted everything we had bought from the store. So, Kuba will make outro for you.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care. And to keep it a bean, no one cares.